Alright, check this out. This is a grooming kit for your dog, not for humans, they're for dogs, alright? So this is great for your dogs because I have a golden retriever. I do need two of them, and it comes with a set of two, alright? Great to actually cut their hair. If it gets clogged, you can always unclog it, remove the first one, and then use the next one, and so forth. Charging station, different clips, a metal comb, and scissors, alright? And also cleaning stuff, material, and oil. This is very important to oil your machines. If you see the machines, very simple. You got different millimeters, all right, all the way to 2.0, all right, 2.0 all the way down to 0.8, all right. So this is great for small dogs, big, large dogs, any kind of size dogs, especially hairy dogs like mine do. I have a golden retriever. We're going to use this on him, see how it works.